Idon last week to discuss about this bike. So it's a little bit difficult for me that what is the most powerful bike. And whether is it the horsepower or is it the ratio of the pickup. So eventually Idon will try to convince me this is the most powerful bike in the world today. I believe he will convince everyone on the technical fact side. And I'm happy again today on behalf of DE to officially launch this bike for Malaysian market. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Go. Okay, Mr. Go, I would just like to remain you on stage. Okay, Anuja. Okay, can we have all the lights on, please? Thank you. Anuja, would you like to take this side, please? Okay. Gentlemen, the RSV4 1100 factory. Aprilia owners, please take position at your motorcycle. Aprilia owners, please take position at your motorcycles as we're going to do a group shot. Okay guys, so the launch of the bike is already done, so we have a walk around preview of it. So this is it, the RSV4 1100 factory. So come with the standard Akrapovič slip-on. It's a titanium, so you get all these carbon fiber body kit and the wings, side panel here. Even if you look at the nuts here, yes, Aprilia Racing. It's written Aprilia Racing. Look at that. The rear shocks. So this is the look of it. The bike. Front up. So this Stylema Brembo calipers. So that's why like Eden announced this fork is specially just for the RSV4. Look at that. Alright. So here, quick shifter. Look at the aluminium swing arm. Amazing work. Totally amazing. Chassis as well. Look at the aluminium chassis. So you see, yes. So currently is using the Diablo, Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa tires as well. You can see here. Overall, so that's the walk around bike. Alright.